Build stronger engineering teams with our expert-led real-world training. Increase business value and boost staff retention. Framework Training's instructor-led workshops cover a range of technical IT topics, from high-level overviews to in-depth advanced tools and techniques, and the professional skills modern teams need to succeed. We've been going since 2010 and have helped thousands of software developers and data specialists around the world. Our hand-picked trainers have exceptional industry and classroom experience. You'll be in good company when your company chooses us. Our customers include Microsoft, Sony, Bank of England, CERN, the BBC, and public sectors in the UK and beyond. We have security clearance and cybersecurity accreditation to back up our commitment to your data security governance. When you first engage with us, we'll scope your requirements, help you identify and understand your learners' individual needs and skill gaps, and build a flexible syllabus to suit. We know that one size doesn't fit all. Your business needs are central to our syllabus design process. We can tailor your course syllabus and prepare fresh course content as required. During the training itself, our expert instructors will take your learners through the carefully prepared material at a pace and depth that matches the needs of your audience. Workshops are practical, interactive, and focused on solving workplace challenges. Learner feedback is as vital to us as it is to you, to ensure we're always improving so we can deliver the best service possible. We'll share your post-course evaluation report with you, which includes useful metrics about your learner's experience and potential next steps. Lastly, we can continue to support the knowledge transfer process with short follow-up workshops to cement your team's learning in the real world. We can deliver your training on-site at your offices, or at one of many flexible meeting spaces in most major cities, or online to fit your needs. We take an ethical and sustainable approach to everything we do. Get in touch for a no-obligation chat about your learning requirements at www.frameworktraining.co.uk.